Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log out from your Zengo account on your smartphone. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you are connected to the internet and launch the Zengo app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure to log in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this interface of the app. Here you can see the settings icon at the bottom. Tap on it. In the settings page, if you scroll and check, you won't find any logout option. Zengo Wallet doesn't want you to log out from their account, so it does not provide the logout option to its users. So if your purpose is to log out and switch to different accounts, the best alternative way is to uninstall the app. So you can simply tap and hold on the app icon. Here you can see the uninstall option. Tap on it. Tap on OK. Now that the app is uninstalled, you can simply install it again from the Play Store. Go to your store and install the app again. Once you reinstall the app, tap on this open button to launch the app again. Tap on continue. So you are logged out of your account. You can simply enter a new email address of your different account and you can log into it. That's the only way you can log out of your Zengo wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.